Welcome back to the alphabet challenge A to Z. We're in letter I, and I guess this is the simplest letter that you'll ever make. So get those materials and let's get into the tutorial. Start with a slip knot, then chain 13, skip the first chain and work into the second, place a single crochet, and then one single crochet into every chain across for a total of 12 single crochets. In the last stitch, we're going to pull up that loop, then we bring this short end on top of the hook and complete the stitch with the end on top of the hook like that. Chain 1 and turn, and now we're going to work over that end in row 2 just to weave it in. Start row 2 with a single crochet in the first stitch. Make sure that you're working over the end. Then we're going to place one single crochet into every stitch till we get to the end of row 2. Those are my first 2 rows. Chain 1 and turn to begin row 3. Begin row 3 with a single crochet in the first stitch. Then we're going to do a total of 5. So this is 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one will be incomplete. Then we're going to get the other color and use it to complete that stitch. Then we're going to work over the gray and the short end of the purple. Do a single crochet next. The next single crochet will be incomplete, so bring this to this side and continue with the other stitches. One single crochet into each of the next 5 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A total of 12 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn to begin row 4. Start with the first 5. The 5th one should be incomplete. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We drop the gray to that side, pick the purple, work with it to complete that. Then we're going to work over the gray. So we're going to carry the gray along. Every time we work with the purple, make sure that you're working over the gray to carry it along. So 1 and 2 is incomplete. Bring the purple to this side. Complete the stitch with the gray. Then continue for the rest of the stitches with one single crochet in color gray. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's the end of row 4, and this is the row that we're going to repeat until we get to row 20. So for row 5 we repeat row 4. So chain 1, turn, work the first 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one is incomplete, so drop the gray, pick the purple, and make sure that as you work the 2 stitches in purple, you're working over the gray. So this is 1, and the next stitch we drop the purple to this side, then take the gray and work the last 5 single crochets with it. So I'm going to repeat this row until I get my 20 rows, then I'll be back. I'm done with the 20 rows and done with the letter, so I'll just do the last 2 rows with the gray yarn. So chain 1 and turn, start in the first stitch and work a total of the 12 single crochets with the gray. So we're going to work this row of gray and the next one, and we'll be done with letter I. Chain 1 and turn. This is row 22, which is the last row. So just work 1 single crochet in every stitch. At the end, I'll chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Pull the yarn through, and then I'll trim off this other end. Then I'll just weave in the ends, and I'm done with I. That's it for letter I. See you in letter J.